Okay, now we want to get this adjusted here. Alright, that closes. It's open, so get it in the fully open position. Alright. For your drain, stop. Then come over here. Alright, and this is all the way down. Okay. And the drain stop is all the way open. Now, where's that going to fall? That's going to fall here at the last hole. So let's raise this up. Okay, we can then bring this, clip it in. Alright, now you also want to have this lock in place. Alright, this locks it in place. Alright, this falls comfortably right there. Alright, so you can mark it with the marker if you wanted to, but you get it in this hole. Alright, so right down in that hole. Put it down here where it's comfortably in position. Alright, where it pushes down. Alright, now that's open, as you can see. Now we're going to close it. Closed, nice and sealed. Alright, the drain stop. And this is up. And then the lever is here. Okay, so we push this down. That goes down. The drain is open. Okay, we pull this up. We pull this up. Okay. Alright, and it's fully closed. Push this down. Pushing it down. And it's open. And that's how you adjust this. Okay? Alright. And then this goes into a little square notch, little hole that goes into your drain stop at the bottom of your drain stop, which meets this hole right here. It lines up with the hole here. Okay, and this just unscrews. Alright, and this is a round ball. It's plastic, it's mounted to the rod there. Okay. Now I'm going to mount this to the wall. We'll see what we can get into viewer here as I mount it to the wall. Okay. So let's see how this goes. Alright. Things out of our way. Okay, this is a drain stop here. That's what it looks like. And then this is the hole at the bottom I was referring to. And then this is what you're seeing on the back side. And this is in the drain. And then this slides through here. If I can get it there. Alright, now. So it's in this position. Okay, this goes down, this goes up. This goes up, it pulls it down. And that's how this works. Alright, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay. Alright, let's get this going. The next piece is to get the rubber seal around your drain pipe. Alright. We're getting the seal around the drain pipe so that when it connects down here at the trap, we're all good to go. Alright. Alright, there's the seal. Okay. We gotta eyeball this as my shirt gets caught on it. Okay. Now, Get this adjusted to the base. Okay. Alright. So we're going to get this adjusted down here to the base. Okay. There we go. Okay. We're right where we need to be. Now we're going to get these bolted on and in place. Get everything all hooked up. And we'll be good to go. Alright. Now, get these bolts on, washers on. Again, you just want these snug. You don't want them super tight. You don't want to break your sink, crack your sink, the porcelain, or your ceramic, whatever it may be made out of.
The hot dog got cold fast. I know, everything.
Okay, one down, one to go. Now for a wrench. Okay. Okay. Okay, you get it snug. Snug is what you want. Do not over tighten, just snug. You can crack it. I did put washers on, but those washers are only going to give so much. Okay? So you want to feel it as you go. Okay? It's still almost snug. Still slightly loose. Not loose, but you can feel it where it starts to get tight, and that's where you stop. It just starts to get tight. Right there, and here we go. Snug, solid. And we're good right there. All right. You want to use a crescent wrench or a opened end wrench. Okay, one down, one to go. One down, one to go. Okay. There you go. There you go. Everything is dry. And there you have it. Running water. Well, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't. And I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. God bless. And bye.